Hello everyone. Today I want to illustrate how the best way to clean an artificial plant. First thing you do, this is the before look of my plant. It's relatively large. First thing I do, just grab simply a small water bottle, like so. Just add a little bit of water and some Palmolive soap, which I've already pre-done already, and just start spraying the plant. Make sure you coat the plant well. As you can see, the plant is pretty dirty. And there you have it. Just let that air dry, and as you can see, the shine is coming back almost instantly. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.